Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to keep bean sprouts fresh longer. Is learn this tip on how to make the shelf life of mung bean sprouts. It's very easy and you can keep it for like a month and it still keep it in fresh. The first thing you need to make sure that you buy the freshest one you could possibly get it. And then we're gonna clean the bean sprouts first and put some of the vinegar for about 1 tablespoon. This one will make the bean sprouts is too fresh and also is very white. And just hold it for 3 minutes. And then we're going to prepare the container by store them in a container or plastic bag. And after that, just put the water to cover all of it. And this one, after that, we need to cover it and keep in refrigerator for like a month. But for 3 or 4 days, you need to change the water 1 times. And this one, after 3 weeks, you can see our bean sprouts is still fresh and very white. If you comparing when I bought before, is different. Now it's white and also fresh. So I hope you guys give this try for this method, and then you can keep more longer for this thing.